Well, now that it's the festive season, and I'm sure everybody is very much excited about it, and so am I. Because in India, it's the biggest festival, it's Diwali time, and none other less, Christmas is also around the corner. And when we think of celebrations, it's the gifts and presents and surprises that comes to your mind always at the first place. And I'm sure this year it's not going to be a very grand celebration because of all the situation that's going around in this year, but nevertheless we can also celebrate it indoors with our loved ones and with friends and families and relatives and all of the people around. But the reason for me to make this video is quite practical enough yet very emotional, because I'm going to show you guys how are the ways you can transfer money from your location to your home country so that you can give surprises to your parents or your loved ones and or your cousins, maybe whoever you want. But yes, that's the topic for today's video. And having said that, guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing extremely fine. So Ketan and I actually have done a bit of a research and a little bit of experiment here and there. Since we are here for more than 1.5 years now, we've thought of actually analyzing these various type of money transfer methods and money transfer applications rather. And yes, we are going to share the details with you guys so that you will also know what are the transfer charges, what are the conversion rates, if there are any hidden charges for these kind of money transfer applications or the other methods as well. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. So to begin with, first let's see what are the options that we have for transferring money from Europe to any other country or from any other country to Europe. So we have the Forex card option, we have Western Union, there's TransferWise, there's TransferGo, and then there is MyRIA application, which are the most trusted ones. In my case, we've been using this for a while now. So let's get into the details of each of these methods of transferring money. So to begin with, first we have the Forex money card. Guys, Forex money card is nothing but it's a prepaid card where you can load money in any foreign currency and you can withdraw money in any foreign currency. Also, you can pay your expenses with the help of the Forex card. And the best part about this card is that it is accepted globally. And now the next option that we have is Western Union. Western Union, guys, we have been hearing about this since a long time. At least I have been hearing since my childhood. And I feel it's one of the best money transfer ways, because all you need to do is go to the nearest Western Union branch and make your transactions, and you need to show your valid ID card. With that, you will receive a money transfer control number, and that number you have to share it with the person whom you want to receive this money, and that's it. That is how easy Western Union is. But for this, you will have to physically go to the Western Union branch and get this transaction done. And not always will I prefer to actually go out and make such a transaction. Sometimes I would just prefer to sit at home, and now that it's such a case outside, I would actually sit at home and make an online transaction. So next on our list, we have the various methods or the various applications to help us transfer money online. So now to make online transactions, we have left with three options, that's TransferWise, TransferGo and MyRIA. And now we will actually compare between these three applications, if there are any transaction charges, what's the conversion rate, if there are any hidden charges or any of this sort of fees related to online transactions. Okay, so I have opened up two screens to show you guys the direct comparison between TransferWise and TransferGo. Later we are going to see of MyRIA. I'm going to try to send 3000 PLN from both the websites, and now I've already entered here. But in TransferWise, the transfer fees applicable for me is showing approximately 25 PLN, whereas in TransferGo there is no transfer fees. However, the amount will get delivered to the recipient's account will be tomorrow. Whereas in TransferWise, the money will be received within seconds. They claim here within seconds, but we can assume it can take around a minute or two. So that's fine. And the amount that is actually going to get deposited to the recipient's account is also different. So you can see in TransferWise you get 56,928.95, and here you see it's 56,546.70. so there's a vast difference between these two. Okay, so now let's see what MyRIA has to offer us. So now in MyRIA I've already logged in. I will select the country that I want to send money, and that's India. I'll select India, click on continue, and there are two options. One is cash pickup and bank deposit. In cash pickup, I can enter the amount that I wish to transfer or wish to send, and here it is. If I click on promotion and enter MyRIA, click on apply, and the transaction fees that was applicable will be waived off with the help of this coupon code, and you can select the delivery method as cash pickup. So this is one option, and the second option is bank deposit. This is my fresh account. I will have to add a beneficiary, so I'll just quickly add a new beneficiary. Alright, I've just added my beneficiary details, and I will click on continue, and here it is. I will try to send 3000 PLN, and 57,250 will be receivable by the beneficiary. Here I will enter MyRIA free, the coupon code that we have received, and the transaction fees for the first transaction will be waived off, and it will be the same for you guys, but for the next transaction onwards you will be charged for 5.5 PLN, and here it is. This is the details. The delivery method will be bank deposit, and the paying location will be this, and click on continue. I've filled the beneficiary details. Earlier we just added the account number and the IFSC code and bank details of the beneficiary. Here you need to add the person's details and the reason for sending, and just click on continue. And now you see all the details here. In my opinion, this is an excellent exchange rate that we've got, and obviously the transaction fees is also very cheap, and the amount to be received is definitely going to be what is reflecting on our screen here. And now I will just select, I declare, and I read and accept. Basically we just have to accept the terms and conditions and just click confirm. And once I click confirm, there is going to be a verification code sent to the number that we have entered when we logged in. So I'll just enter this. Once this is done, I see the total amount, the beneficiary's name, and the national ID here, and this is a barcode. So basically this barcode is something that we need to go to the nearest Euronet ATMs and scan, and once you scan this, only then your transaction will be initiated and the recipient will receive the amount. If you click on where to pay, you will see here on the map the various locations of Euronet. So Euronet is basically available in all the corners of Europe. This is how it's done, and that's it. Your transaction will be initiated. If you have to check your history, you can click on order history and just see. So it will give you, unless you scan the barcode, the payment will be in pending status, and there is an expiry time within which you need to complete the transaction. Only then the opposite person will receive the amount. So to talk about MyRIA application, they have their setup in almost 160 countries, and you can send money to all these countries, which is very great. And let me tell you guys that MyRIA is a key player of this global money transfer industry, and they work with the accordance of European standards, which includes the protection of your personal data, that is GDPR and PSD2. We also have to keep this in mind that if we are using MyRIA application to transfer money, the maximum limit of transferring 3000 PLN at one go, you cannot transfer money more than that. Irrespective of the amount, the transfer fees is 5.5 PLN for every transaction. MyRIA has the customer service in case if you are stuck in any transaction or if you need assistance. MyRIA's customer service speaks all the languages of these countries, so yes, you can approach the customer service, and I'm sure they would happily assist you guys. Also guys, if you are using MyRia application for the first time, you can use the coupon code MyRia free and you can get your first transaction for free. And well guys, this is it for the money transfer video, and I wish you all a happy Diwali and may your festive season be as bright and as beautiful as ever. And if you've liked this video or if you found it informative, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, it is not allowed to do that. You are supposed to subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell icon there so that you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care, bye bye, stay safe, and a very happy Diwali once again, and be very careful while celebrating this festive season. I will see you next time.